Vacation and volunteer adventures. Are you looking for a different travel experience? Exciting, thrilling adventure getaways? Then come to Jamaica, where an adventurous dream can come true. Whether you're looking for active adventures where you climb mountains and waterfalls, or maybe you want something more relaxing like rafting down a river, whatever your choice, there's plenty for the adventurous traveler. You may choose to experience this unique once-in-a-lifetime adventure alone, or you may combine this with a volunteer opportunity. Whatever your choice, you'll have the chance to enhance your life through sharing extraordinary moments. Just picture yourself arriving on the exotic island of Jamaica. You have been waiting on this moment for so long. You can't believe you're here. The sights, the sounds, the mountains, they're everywhere. Picture yourself lying on a beach, swimming, basking in the sun, or sipping a drink. These scenes have been playing like a movie in your mind. Now come with me and explore a different Jamaica. As dusk approaches, put on your dancing outfit and find out why Jamaicans love to dance. As you feel the beat, you'll discover why music is the heartbeat of Jamaica. Travel to the resort town of Ocho and spend a day at Dolphins Cove. Feel the emotions as you kiss the dolphins, play with the stingrays, hold and pet these amazing friendly creatures. Continue your journey and feel the excitement as you travel through picturesque towns and villages. See breathtaking sceneries of rolling hills covered with lush vegetation. Everywhere you'll go, there's a spectacular sight of flora and fauna. Journey to Portland, famous for its cruise ships and waterfalls. Fall in love with the former home of movie star Errol Flynn. Go rafting on Rio Grande with expert raftsmen. This journey of 6 miles on a bamboo raft will take you through scenic vegetation. A visit to the marina is a must-do before you leave the picturesque town of Port Antonio. Just take a moment and sit by the water. Watch the yachts and the ships as they pass by. The peaceful surroundings and calm water will provide healing for your soul. Feel tranquility as you get close to nature. Go further and have more exciting adventures. Visit the business district of Jamaica, New Kingston. Stop at Emancipation Park. This park, a reminder of our emancipation from slavery, a symbol of our freedom to hope. Hey, don't forget to take a picture of the much celebrated 11 feet bronze sculpture, Redemption Song. What is a Jamaican trip without a shopping adventure? Going on a shopping adventure is one of the surest ways to learn about Jamaica. Shop and take back some of Jamaica's treasures. There is so much to see. From beautiful handcrafted items, world-famous jerk seasoning. Continue and experience Jamaica in a whole new way. Explore our theatre. You may see one of our famous route plays. Jamaicans have learned to laugh at themselves through hilarious plays. At the theatre, you may also learn about Jamaica's African heritage through dances such as the kumina and other folk songs. Your volunteer adventure starts from the moment you arrive at Smoky Manor, a place that is often described as your Jamaican home away from home. If you are a nature lover, a must-do for you is to take our country walk tour. Travel through Manning's Hill, a quaint little village, and see Jamaica before it wakes up. The peaceful surroundings and tranquil atmosphere provides a perfect setting for meditation and a chance to commune with nature. You have had an amazing adventure, but you want more. Imagine this. You travel to a school and distribute toys, books, clothes and other gifts you have collected. You distribute these to the needy children. The smiles, joy, and hugs you will receive will be a humbling experience. Work with these children. Help with homework. Work with their sports program or do reading. The list of possibilities are endless. Friendly teachers are ready to work with you on your volunteer project. Expect the time of your life as you learn about the island and the culture. You'll be amazed at the stories the children will tell you about their lives and their communities. Through the innocence of a child, you'll hear tales of local legends, stories of dons and politicians. Your time spent here will give you insights about Jamaica that would take years for the average tourist to know. Enjoy a cultural presentation during the day. Through cultural dances, songs, and poetry, you learn so much more about the culture of the community. Finish your volunteer tour with a visit to Duns River Falls. Duns River Falls, a must-see for every visitor to Jamaica. Feel the thrill of climbing the 600 feet cascading waterfalls. These are the moments, images, stories, friendships that will carry you for a lifetime. Here's my personal invitation. Come to Jamaica and sample an adventure package where we'll take you by the hand and show you step by step the Jamaica you have never heard of.